In this video we're gonna go over how you can grow on Instagram in this year of 2020, and we're also gonna go over what's changed, what works and what doesn't work on the platform anymore. And I'm actually gonna give away my best 7 growth strategies that I personally use and apply to grow all my Instagram accounts. So I don't want to take too much time of yours with this intro, guys, so let's jump straight in the video. If you're new to the channel and you really enjoy the videos, of course don't forget to click the subscribe button. It's gonna help you stay tuned with all my posts. Now make sure you stick around till the end of the video because we're actually gonna be talking about the biggest mistakes that people make when they're starting to grow on Instagram. So stay tuned. So the first strategy I want to talk about is the follow for follow strategy. Why I think this is the most powerful strategy is because if you're just starting out and you have like 0 followers, 0 engagement, and you don't want to invest any money in, you need a way to put your account out there and you need a way for people to see it. So what you do is after you set up your account, after you post like 5-6 times, make sure the account looks as active as possible. So after you post 5-6 times, you just start and follow 50-60 people every 3-4 hours. But make sure you're not doing it more than this because you're gonna get action blocked. And make sure if you, for example, followed 60 people 3 hours ago and now you follow another 50 people, make sure the next time you follow the number is different than 50 and the amount of time you wait before starting following again is again different. You want to make it as random as possible so the algorithm doesn't think is anything sketchy in there. So how long you need to do this, you might wonder? You need to do it until you reach 3, 4, 5,000 followers, because if you only have like 20 likes on your pictures, they're never gonna rank in hashtags. But after you reach 3, 4, 5,000 followers, you'll have at least 200, 300, 400 likes on your pictures, considering you apply the engagement strategies and everything. And if you have 3, 4, 500 likes on your pictures, they're actually gonna start and ranking hashtags and you can start and grow organically. And also you can start and apply the growth strategy number 2, which is the promotion for promotion strategy. Now with this strategy, you can probably tell from the title, you do a promotion for somebody and in return you get a promotion from them. So the problem nowadays is most people think that only money can be used to buy certain things or get certain services. But you can actually leverage your Instagram account to get free stuff in return, like promotion for promotion. So let's say you already have a 50,000 followers Instagram account and you want to start a new one from 0. Now it's gonna be way more easy because you can actually reach out to 50,000 followers accounts and you can ask them, yo bro, do you want to do a promotion for promotion today? And if they say yes, you can actually promote your smaller account on their page and you can promote their page on your bigger account. And that's how you get and that's how you leverage your account and you get free stuff in return. Now this is a pretty simple one, you understand the concept, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to the next growth strategy. So growth strategy number 3, which is engagement groups. I'm sure everybody talks about engagement groups at the moment and they're really hyped up about it, but I'm gonna make it just a bit different. So I'm gonna show you guys one engagement group that I used since I've created my first Instagram account and I'm still using it to this day. So let's jump on my laptop and I'll actually show you. So for the engagement group strategy, since my very first Instagram account I was using Executive Mafia. Now if you know engagement groups on Instagram, they are pretty good as well, but you need 5, 6, 7 of them to see some results. Now with this one, it's got many options. It's got Jasmine bot, it's got Sophie bot, it's got another one called Theo bot. And each one of these bots is a Telegram group chat. So if you let me show you here, each one of these chats, for example Theo, he's got 12 rounds every single day. So that's 1 round every 2 hours. So let's say 50 people sign up for this round and you sign up as well, you're gonna get 50 likes. And you'll have to revert 50 likes. Now in terms of pricing, I'm not making any marketing or anything, I'm just showing you what works for me and what I'm using. Now I'm using at the moment the executive service, but if you're just starting out, I would recommend you the freemium one. You'll have a 24 hours access to Theo's engagement group, which is only for likes. But even if you have 50 likes on your account and you're getting another 60-70 from Theo, that's gonna help you actually rank in hashtags. If you want to join the other 2 chats, which are likes and comments, then you'll have to subscribe to one of the essential or executive service. That was it for the engagement group strategy. The next strategy I want to talk about is a really important one. It's called the HTN strategy. What does HTN stand for is the highly targeted niche strategy. So what this actually means, if you're trying to sell a high price product like 1,000, 5,000, even 10,000 followers, then you'll need to use the HTN strategy to focus on a certain type of people and to engage with them so they can follow your account. For this strategy, what you have to do is you find what niche your product is in, and you make a list of the first 20, 30, even 50 accounts within that niche, and you start engaging with people that commented on their post, because you already know those people are interested in this kind of product. So you start engaging with them, you like their comments, you comment, you reply to them, and this is a really important strategy if you're looking to sell high priced product, but it can also be used to sell any other kind of product. You keep doing this, like let's say for 20-30 minutes every single day, and after 2-3 months you're gonna build an audience of very high quality people. This was it for the HTN strategy. Now I want to go into growth strategy number 5, which is giveaways. I think you can already tell how important giveaways are and how much engagement you get for one giveaway. It can be anything from I don't know, $10 giveaways, $5 giveaways, even gift cards. It can be nothing related to money, like for example you can give away shout outs, you can give away promotions. Like in my captions of most of my posts, I put something like comment this word letter by letter to win a free shout out. And then what's gonna happen is your engagement is gonna boost on that post, because loads of people are gonna start and comment 4, 5, 6 times, and then your posts are gonna rank in hashtags. So you give them something, so you give away something to them, but you also gain something back. You gain loads of engagement and loads of attention to your post. So the next strategy I want to talk about is hashtags. Now let's jump on my laptop because I need to show you what websites I'm using to do the hashtag research. As you might know, before posting anything you have to do a really good hashtag research so you have a better chance of actually ranking in them and getting loads of attention on your post. So let's say for example you're in the business or motivational niche, and let's take this hashtag, for example, hard works. Let's go to the first 9 posts and see how much engagement they have. So 277 likes, 235 and 9 comments, 172, 158, 426. So let's say the average for this post is around 250 likes and 10 comments per post. So for you to actually rank in the first 9 posts of this hashtag, you would have to have like 250 likes and at least 10 comments on your post, which is not very much, but it gives you an idea of how much engagement you need to rank in these hashtags. Now I'm sure you don't want to do all this work every time to look through hashtags and do the numbers and calculate everything. So what I'm usually using is this website right here called Flick. It costs some money, but you have a 7 days free trial. I never paid money for this service, so I usually go on the 7 days free trial, make a list of like 300 hashtags, so that's 10 group of hashtags, and then I just cancel the subscription. The way you should structure your hashtags should be the first 5 hashtags should be small engagement hashtags, so 100, 150 likes. The next 5 hashtags should be medium sized hashtags, so 200, 250, 300 likes, and a few comments, I don't know, 20, 30 comments. The next group of hashtags after that should be a high engagement hashtag, so that's around 500, 700, 800 likes and like loads more comments. Now the next group of hashtags should be another group of 5 hashtags, which are really high engagement hashtags, so hashtags like money, hashtags like business, entrepreneur, because even if you don't have that much engagement, one of your posts might blow up at one point and then you're gonna rank in those hashtags and you're gonna get loads of attention. Now the next group of hashtags should be 5 hashtags related to your post. So whatever you're posting right now, just find 5 hashtags that relate to it. And then the last group of hashtags should be 5 hashtags related to your niche in general. So last but not least, what I think is the most important one is badass content. So you need to have at least 8 out of 10 content, because nobody wants to follow you if you have shitty content. You can be one of those repost accounts which take posts from other people and repost them on their account and gain engagement for that, or you can actually learn some Photoshop, which is not really hard, and go out there and create your own content, and more people are actually gonna follow you for that and are gonna appreciate you. Now that was it for the growth strategies, guys. Now let me tell you what I think the biggest mistake when people are starting on Instagram is. The biggest mistake is that they're not consistent, and the second biggest mistake is that they give up too easily. It doesn't take a day, it doesn't take 2 days to build an Instagram account. It's actually a business and you should treat it like a business. So you should give it time, you should invest money in it if you want to grow it faster. So I mean, you can't just go into a business and expect to be there for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and then start making thousands of dollars. Nah, it doesn't work like that. You actually have to put in work, you have to put in hours, money, sweat, and so on, like any other business. So that was it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found value in it. And if you did, don't forget to drop a thumbs up. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And rather than that, I'll keep you updated on the other 2 accounts which I'm growing. Probably I'll drop a video on Monday or Tuesday. So I'll see you then. Peace.